Another present for Simon. Maybe Winston make Simon busy now, Kara. Jan, remember. uh, you sacrifice your prime time of life for family. You have my respect. Yes, Adele. Yes. You know, even when we were still together with my ex-husband before, I'm still helping my parents. So I never leave my parents, you know, as long as I can, I'm helping them. But family is so important. You are right, Fabio. Gay can be gay, just not flirt with him, basically. Okay. Because I'm not, you know, I keep talking, and I didn't read, you know, I read some of the comments late. FG Chill. Hi, Kara. Meet FG. His name is Fabio Kara he is from Canada, Kara. Okay, Jan. Okay, understand. I thought you are telling me don't push on me. About what? Okay, I understand now. Thank you so much. Yes, but no, I'm not. Yeah, because we cannot judge them. So I'm still respecting them. It's Fabio. Fabio, Kara. Janet Herrera, welcome back. Thank you so much. God bless. From where are you, Janet Herrera? Fabio, yes. Yeah, that's right. He is from Canada. Fabio, please meet Kara. She's now in Albania. Right, Kara? Are you still now in Albania? RJ Gage. Welcome, RJ Gage. From where are you? Thank you so much. Yes, thank you, Kara. Thank you. RJ Gage, from where are you? Hello. Yes, so if you will see, Fabio, some of the commenter, they are in blue color. It means that they are my moderator. And they are one of my family. Family here in my channel. I know that they love me also. We are most friendly nation. Thank you so much, Adele, but I don't know what will I do there. Gagi, bro. RG Gage Ohoyo in the US. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please like and subscribe. Okay, so I don't have to run from you don't have to. No, you don't have to run from Kara. Kara is really good. I treat her as my daughter. Well, we have a lot of Americans. I think it's the time for them, Kara. That's why. Thank you, Janet. Thank you. God bless you, Janet. Thank you so much. Scary. Who is scary? Who is scary, Fabio? Who is scary? No one is scary here. Daughters are jealous and dangerous. Yes, but you are not commenting bad there, so for sure Kira will not kick you out.